enw fi Myfyrwyr a croeso I Canolfan Chweched Dosbarth, Ysgol Canolfan.
Hi there, my name is Chweched Jones and I'm also a head student here at Ysgol Canolfan. So here's a quick tour of the sixth form centre that we have.
Hi, fy enw i yw Eleri a fi yw'r un o'r dirprwyon blwyddyn yma. Yn y Chweched Dosbarth, dwi'n astudio seicoleg, bioleg a photography. Dwi'n mwynhau'r Chweched Dosbarth achos mae yna llawer o cyfleoedd sy'n helpu fi tuag at y dyfodol.
I'm Mary Williams, I'm the head of the sport prefect team. I study biology, PE and business. I'm grateful for this opportunity and to help increase the sporting activities of the school.
Hello, I'm Lily. I'm a Year 13 student at Dosbarth. I've taken health and social care and business as my A-level options for the past 2 years. This year I'm head of prom. I'm happy to have this opportunity and be given this role as I'll be able to organise a great prom for our year as we were able to have one in Year 13 and looking forward to everyone having a good time and enjoying themselves.
Helo, fy enw i Myfyrwyr a fi prif bachgen Chweched Dosbarth. Dwi wir yn mwynhau bod yn y Chweched Dosbarth blwyddyn yma oherwydd da ni gyd fel teulu mawr ac yn gallu gweithio fo'n gilydd I gyrraedd beth ni eisiau gwneud. Diolch yn fawr.
Hi there, my name is Chweched Jones and I'm a head student here at Ysgol Canolfan. I currently study maths, biology and chemistry at A-level. I think that Canolfan Sixth Form is a brilliant place to come and learn and to meet new friends. I think it's a great environment. I also think that Canolfan Sixth Form offers a great varied supply of support and guidance, especially with the stressful upcoming years of A-levels. I think there's brilliant opportunities here with a major upcoming trip to America in February. And yeah, this is the health and wellbeing room, a safe space to talk to anybody about anything.
Dwi'n un o'r dirprwyon yn Ysgol Canolfan. Y pwnciau nes I cymryd ydy seicoleg, health and social care, business a Welsh Bac. Fy hoff pwnc yw seicoleg achos y wahanol rhannau dyn ni'n neud, enghraifft stress, addiction a criminal behaviour. Dwi'n mwynhau bod yn Ysgol Canolfan achos dyn ni'n cael cyfle I wneud llawer o ffrindiau a dyn ni'n cael llawer o cymorth yn ein pwnciau ac pethau eraill.
Hello, I'm Erin Owen and I'm the head of the community prefect team here at Ysgol Canolfan. At the moment we're in the quiet study area and I'm studying for an upcoming psychology test. At the moment in psychology we're studying criminal behaviour, which I'm really enjoying because I hope to go and do criminology in university soon. One of the reasons I think you should choose Ysgol Canolfan for a sixth form centre is because of the amazing opportunities we have for trips and stuff. In February we're planning on going on a trip to America, and we also have lots of wellbeing trips throughout the year, such as going to Lake Vyrnwy and having a fun water activities day. And we also have a lot of workshops that help with uni stuff as well as stress, coming up with uni applications and stuff like that. So that's one of the main selling points here at Ysgol Canolfan.
sixth form. I take arts, textiles and photography as my A-levels, and we're currently in the textiles room at the back of it. This is where sixth form students who take the arts can come and finish their work outside of studies, and it's a lovely space.